Imagine completely transforming your life in just 3 days. Sounds impossible? Today, I'm going to show you how it's possible by adopting 6 simple yet powerful habits that can change your perspective, boost your energy, and improve your mental, physical, and spiritual health. These habits are designed to bring balance and harmony to your routine, and anyone can put them into practice. Like this video, subscribe to Motivation You Need and share it with someone who's also seeking a positive transformation. The first habit is waking up earlier. This habit is essential for anyone wanting to change their life because it gives you a moment of peace before the world wakes up. Use this time to plan your day, meditate, or simply spend time with yourself. Waking up early reduces stress and increases your productivity throughout the day. Gradually adjust your sleep schedule so your body can adapt, and over time, you'll notice how much clearer your mind feels and how energized your body becomes. The second habit is staying hydrated throughout the day. We often overlook how essential water is for our body and mind to function. Start your day with a glass of water as soon as you wake up. It helps cleanse your system and rehydrate your body after hours of sleep. Keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. Proper hydration boosts your energy, improves focus, and even enhances your mood. If this tip resonates with you, leave a like and keep watching. At Motivation You Need, we're here to help you build habits that transform lives. The third habit is dedicating 15 minutes a day to meditation or mindfulness. This practice calms your mind, reduces stress, and improves focus. Choose a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breathing. It's normal for your mind to wander at first, but with time, you'll develop greater control over your thoughts. Meditation is one of the most powerful habits to bring mental clarity and inner peace. If you've never meditated before, try using apps or guided videos to get started. The fourth transformative habit is engaging in daily physical activity, even if it's just for 20 minutes. It doesn't have to be intense. A walk, stretching, or even dancing to your favorite music can release endorphins and lift your mood. Regular exercise not only enhances physical health but also reduces anxiety and depression. Choose something you enjoy that fits into your routine, and commit to it daily. Remember, taking care of your body is a way to honor your mental and spiritual health. The fifth habit is focusing on mindful eating. Eat with intention, choosing foods that nourish both your body and mind. Avoid processed foods and opt for natural options like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. How you eat directly affects your energy and mood. Try having your meals in a calm environment, paying attention to each bite without distractions like TV or your phone. Mindful eating is not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat. If you want more tips on health and wellness, subscribe to Motivation You Need now. Finally, the sixth habit is reflecting on and planning your day before bed. Take a few minutes before going to sleep to think about what you accomplished during the day, what you can improve, and what you want to achieve the next day. Use a notebook or journal to jot down your thoughts and goals. This practice helps organize your mind, reduce anxiety, and increase motivation for the following day. Intentional planning is key to staying focused and balanced. These 6 habits are simple, but when practiced consistently, they can completely transform your life in 3 days. Of course, true transformation happens with consistency, but starting now, even as a trial, is a significant step toward a better version of yourself. Choose one of these habits to begin today and see how small changes lead to big results. Remember, each habit is connected to your mental, physical, and spiritual health. Waking up early helps align your mind with the day's purpose. Staying hydrated and eating mindfully nourish your body, while meditation and exercise strengthen your emotional well-being. Reflecting on your actions and goals before bed creates a cycle of continuous growth. Together, these habits form a solid foundation for a balanced and fulfilling life. If you've made it this far, it's because you're committed to your transformation. Comment below which habit you plan to implement first and how it might impact your life. Like this video, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe to Motivation You Need. Our goal is to help you live your best version. See you in the next video. Nipon.